What?
I'm dead.
10 years old, too young.
I'm dead.
No girlfriend.
No. 10 years old.
Nope.
9. What number you said?
30 years old.
13 years old, you're too old.
Too old.
Yeah.
30 years old, too old ang girlfriend. No girlfriend, Martin, ha?
No.
No girlfriend, ha?
10.
Nope.
10.
Nope.
10.
50 years old.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
No girlfriend.
I'm
Matias, how about you? When you gonna girlfriend?
at 15.
15! You guys have early girlfriend. I say 40 years old.
I'm
40. He becomes zombie. 50 years old ha, mag-boyfriend, girlfriend ha. Boyfriend naman. Zombie. Ah! Ay! 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 Uy, mag-girlfriend, mag-30 years old ha. Sige, mag-girlfriend 30 years old ha.
Okay.
Okay. Not 10? Are you sure not 10? 10 years old? Sige.
Yeah, come on.
Ay, nice. Look, dance po. Look, dance.
Can't you sing that song?
Ding, ding, ding.
Wait, what is this?
Look, is that a new sound? You don't say.
Get it, dance!
When you gonna, how old are you? You will have girlfriend? 4! No, when you will have a girlfriend.
10.
Guys, wanted girlfriend. 10 years old na siya. Mag-girlfriend na daw sa YouTube. Ew, how many girlfriend? How many girlfriend?
I'm
Crazy man.
gonna kill.